Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for Mechanical Engineers. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. As you know from our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment news for mechanical engineers and in every Thursday we will upload government and private jobs for diploma mechanicals. In this week, this video we are included 12 government jobs, 5 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government job, is Project Associate 1 at CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory, Jamshedpur. CSIR NML is an Indian research center that functions under the aegis of Councils of Scientific and Industrial Research Ministry of Science and Technology. Applications are invited from qualified candidates for engagement of project staff to work in various projects at CSIR NML. The engagement is purely on temporary and contract basis. They are invited project staff in CSIR project including NMI TLI project. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are 31,000 plus HRA. Upper age limit is 35 years. Number of posts are 22. How to apply? Candidates who fulfill the criteria may apply online through the website shown on screen on or before 3rd December 2020. Next is Technical Assistant at NIT Jalandhar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology Jalandhar invites online application from the Indian nationals for the recruitment to the technical assistant non-teaching post in the institute. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are 35,400 to 1,12,400 plus allowances. Age limit is 30 years. Last date for application is 30th November 2020. Interested candidates are requested to apply online on the ORA website of institute as shown on screen. Next is Probationary Officer at State Bank of India. This is not a technical job, but nowadays most of the banking jobs are getting to engineers only due to their ability to solve and crack exam than other degree holders. SBI is an Indian multinational public sector banking and financial service statutory body. SBI is the 43rd largest bank in the world and ranked 236th in the Fortune Global 500. A nationalized bank, it is the largest in India with a 23% market share. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for applying this job. Number of vacancies are 2000, age limit is 30 years, last date to apply is 4th December 2020. How to apply? Candidates can apply online through bank's career website as shown on screen. Next is Scientific or Technical Officer Maintenance at National Institute of Technology, Warangal. NIT Warangal, formerly known as Regional Engineering College, was established in 1959. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru laid the foundation stone for this institute on October 10, 1959, the first in the chain of 30 NITs, formerly as REC in the country. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Salary offered are 15,600 to 39,100 with grade pay of 5,400 plus HRA. Upper age limit is 35 years. Experience in planning, procuring and maintaining equipments for different workshops, laboratories and departments in academic institutes, R&D laboratories and industries will be preferred. How to apply? Candidates who fulfill the criteria may apply online through the website shown on screen on or before 10th December 2020. Next is Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell, Bangalore Complex and Machilipatnam Unit. Bell is a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence. Requires Project Engineer 1 Mechanical on contract basis for its Bangalore Complex and Machilipatnam Unit. Pay scale offered are 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 for first, second, third and fourth year of contract respectively. Number of vacancies 24 at Bangalore Complex and 2 at Machilipatnam Unit. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Upper age limit is 28 years. Last date for application is 25th November for Bangalore complex and 3rd December for Machilipattam unit. Applicants are advised to go through the website www.bellindia.in. For further details or any clarification, mail to bellbng@applycareer.co.in for Bangalore complex and rctmc@bell.co.in for Machilipattam unit. Next is Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission jobs. Post name is Junior Engineer Mechanical on contract basis. Vacancies, there are 15 number of vacancies are there. Pay scale is fixed contractual amount of 14,100 per month. Last date for online application is 20th December 2020. The candidate shall be eligible for appointment if he or she has passed matriculation and +2 from any school or institute situated within Himachal Pradesh. For more details and online application, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is Manager Marketing at MSME Technology Center, Bhopal. MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Technology Center at Bhopal is being set up at Bhopal. The Technology Center is Government of India Society registered under Societies Registration Act and is functional as an autonomous body under MSME. Applications are invited for the below mentioned post on contract basis for period of 5 years initially with further extension based on review of performance till superannuation. Salary offered are 67,700 to 2,08,700 plus perks. Age limit is 40 years. Qualification degree in mechanical engineering plus 5-year experience. How to apply? The interested candidates should send their biodata as per the format available on website shown on screen, along with self-attested copies of certificates on or before 30 November 2020. Next is last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell Bangalore Complex is 25th November. Mechanical Engineer at Rights Limited is 26th November. Manager at Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited, Kolkata is 30th November. Scientific or Technical Officer at NIT Srinagar is 30th November. Junior Research Fellow at NPOL Kochi DRDO is 30th November. JRF at DMRL Hyderabad at DRDO is 2nd January 2021. I will put all these website IDs in my description and I will put previous video link in my description also. Please watch if you are not watched these job opportunities in last week. That's all for government job opportunities. Next is private job. In private job, first job is Junior Trainee Engineer at Madhu Jayanti International Private Limited. It is established in 1947. Madhu Jayanti International Private Limited is one of the India's leading exporter of value-added teas. With experience and expertise of over 7 decades in sourcing, blending and packaging teas and marketing tea, MJIPL today has the largest tea bag manufacturing capacity in India. MJIPL has 4 manufacturing units in India, 2 in UK and 1 each in Russia and West Africa. The depth of its reach and acceptance is manifested in its sales over 20,000 tons of tea per year, and it has large global sales network spanning over 42 countries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. They required fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Salary offered are 2 lakh to 2,50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: machine maintenance and upkeepment. Desired candidate profile: BTech Mechanical. Perks and benefit: PF, ESI, bonus, gratuity, canteen. Role is trainee. Industry type is food beverage. Functional area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send the resume to mail ID careers@jt.com. Next is graduate engineer trainee at Uruvaka Technologies Private Limited. Uruvaka Technology serves the aquaculture industry by designing and building advanced feeding systems that utilize complex algorithms, IoT and machine learning to precisely feed the shrimp. This system helps farmers to improve the profitability, protect the pond ecosystem by reducing the feed usage, and provides the farmers with valuable insights. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. They are seeking for freshers or 0 to 1 year experience holders. Job description: based on reporting managers, guidance may work as trainer for operations, develops a strong understanding and dedication to the operation management. This trainee position is part of a developmental training program designed to develop individuals to professional engineers. Role is trainee, industry type is construction engineering, function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID jobs@iruvaga.com. Next is sales engineer at Feinger Lesser Valves Private Limited. Lesser India is one of the leading manufacturer companies for safety valves in India. Its manufacturing facility located in Paitan, Aurangabad, and the sales and marketing organization headquartered in Mumbai. The company was established in 1987 as a joint venture between Feinger Engineering India and Lesser GmbH & Co. KG, Germany, to manufacture safety valve with a proven design and technology. Since 2010, the company is a 100% subsidiary of Lesser with now more than 1,050 employees. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 4 years. Job description is making offers, sizing, calculation, preparation of sales order, etc. Role is sales engineer. Industry type is industrial products, heavy machinery. Function area sales retail. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID as shown on screen. Next is site engineer at Aquamec Engineering Corporation. Aquamec Engineering Corporation is renowned company providing end-to-end solutions and providing the best customer experience in meeting water and environmental needs through our innovative technology solutions, products and services. Aquamec has 3 core areas of business, mainly into high purity water system including clean utilities for pharma and hygiene industry, water and wastewater treatment, and walk-in cold rooms for pharma, food and other industries. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 4 years. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 5 lakh per annum. Job description: having experience in handling site for water treatment plant and pharmaceutical piping for purified water for injection and other cleaning utilities. Should be able to coordinate with the client and project manager to manage the site independently. Required candidate profile: candidate only from water treatment field, successful installation and commissioning and handing over of system, knowledge of purified water generation and distributor system, water for injection, etc. Role is maintenance engineer. Industry type is water treatment. It's a site engineering job. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID admin@aquamec.co.in. Next is production and maintenance engineer at Dalal Plastic Private Limited. Dalal Plastic Private Limited is a plastic injection molding company specializing in injection molding of precision engineering plastic as per customer requirement. The company has a legacy of 5 decades and ranks as one of the best injection molding companies across India. Dalal Plastic Private Limited cater industries like automotive, electrical, textile and many more. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 4 years. They are looking production and maintenance engineer for Navi Mumbai location. Required candidate profile: candidate should have experience with the following: injection molding, vertical injection molding machines, knowledge of electrical, electronic and hydraulic circuits, knowledge of mechanical maintenance machines, knowledge of processing of engineering plastic, etc. Role is production engineer and maintenance engineer. It's a chemical, petrochemical type industry. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID careers@dalalplastics.com. That's all for private jobs. Next job is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first is graduate apprentice at Goa Shipyard Limited. Goa Shipyard Limited is an Indian government-owned shipbuilding company located on the west coast of India at Vasco da Gama, Goa. It was established in 1957 originally by the colonial government of Portuguese in India to build barges to be used in Goa's growing mining industry, which took off after establishment of India's blockade of Goa in 1955. In the wake of Portugal's defeat and unconditional surrender to India following the 1961 Indian annexation of Goa, it is requisitioned to manufacture warship for Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. Candidates who have passed a degree during the year 2019 and 2020 are only eligible to apply. Stipend offered are 9,000 per month. Last date for application is 11th December 2020. How to apply? For detailed advertisement and application format, please visit Goa Shipyard Limited Company website as shown in screen. In the event of finding difficulty to apply online, you can contact through email as shown in screen's mail ID. Next is apprentices at State Bank of India. As said earlier, it's not a technical job, but lots of engineers are doing State Bank of India jobs nowadays. SBI is an Indian multinational public sector banking and financial service statutory body. SBI is the 43rd largest bank in the world and ranked 236th in the Fortune Global 500 list of world's biggest corporation of 2019. There are 1,338 vacancies are there. Age limit is 28 years. Stipend offered are the apprentices are eligible for stipend of Rs 15,000 per month during first year, 16,500 for the second year, and 19,000 for third year. How to apply? Candidates are requested to apply online through the link given in the following website as shown in screen on or before 10th December 2020. Next is graduate apprentice at Bharat Electronics Limited, Machilipatnam unit. BEL is a leading Navratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Defence. BEL Machilipatnam unit invites application from passed out mechanical engineering candidates to undergo training as graduate apprentice under National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Candidates must have passed their BE BTech course on or after 31st December 2017. Age limit is 25 years. Stipend offered are 11,110 per month. For more details, please visit BEL website as shown on screen. How to apply? Candidates should apply for apprenticeship through NATS portal as shown on screen on or before 23rd November. Then candidates may send the prescribed application available on company's website shown on screen through the post subscribing on the envelope the name of the post applied and sent to manager HR BEL Machilipatnam unit on or before 26 November 2020. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon for getting regular updates from us. Thank you.